Good day everyone. Today we are going to see chapter number 2, Introduction to Algorithm and Flowcharts. Coming towards problem statement, see here. Calculate the area of circle I have taken if the diameter of circle is given. Diameter is nothing but half of the circle. If you want to find the radius, half of diameter is nothing but radius. Diameter by 2, you will get radius. See, identify the input output required processing I have given. Input we are giving as diameter. Then we are going to calculate the formula. How we are going radius? If I want radius, what I should do? Radius is equal to diameter by 2. Then I'll get the radius. So what is the area of circle? We have area of circle pi multiply r radius square. Pi is the fixed value which we have 3.14 multiply radius square. Radius square is nothing but radius multiply radius. Then what is algorithm? Let us we go. In this chapter we are going to see about algorithm, pseudocode, flowchart. Whenever you are solving a problem step by step, step 1, step 2, step 3, this is the format of steps. Whenever you are solving any problem in step by step way, that is called algorithm. Algorithm is nothing but step by step way to solve any given problem. Same way pseudocode, it is same like algorithm, but the thing is it is text based representation. Pseudocode does not have some fixed format like programming language. Flowchart is nothing but whenever you have designed some algorithm, you are going to specify this algorithm in a pictorial representation, because picture can be understood very easily to some person. So flowchart is not more diagrammatic representation of algorithm. It's called flowchart. See, for whenever you want to create flowchart, there are some basic symbols which we use, standard basic symbols which we use for flowchart. For start and stop, we use oval type symbol that is used for start and stop of the flowchart. Then we use rectangular shape symbol that is called process, used to write the processing functions of our flowchart. Then for input and output, we use this symbol which is used for writing the input as well as writing the output. Whenever you need to specify any branch or conditional or control statements, we use this conditional statement symbol. Then we have connector symbol used to connect different flow in the flowchart. Then we have flow used to show the directions of the flow of our flowchart. Then we have preparation used to initialize the control data in the loop. This we use. Then let us we go with the algorithm and flowchart. Here I have given one example of algorithm where we are going to draw the flowchart to find average of two numbers. Input I am taking two numbers. For example, two numbers. Number one I am taking as x, number two I am taking as y, and output I am going to find the average of the two numbers x and y. See, come towards algorithm. In the algorithm we have I have given step by step steps. Step 1 input x, step 2 input y, step 3 sum equal to number 1 plus number 2, that is x plus y, sum equal to x plus y, average is equal to total, that is sum by 2, output average. This is about algorithm. When we come towards flowchart, my dear, see here, flowchart is nothing but we put the symbol called start. After that, input. In the input symbol, you see the symbol of input. In the input, we are inputting two numbers, input x and y. Then process symbol. In the process symbol, we are going to find sum equal to x plus y. Average is equal to sum by 2. Output average, then end. Then let us we go for the second example of our flowchart and algorithm, where we are going to find area and circumference of a circle. For this area we have assigned as A, circumference we are assigning as C. So input we are taking radius, that radius is assigned as R. R means radius. Then output we are going to get the output area A and circumference C. Please see the algorithm. Step 1. In the step 1 in the algorithm I am using input R. R means radius. Another one we have to input the pi. Pi is nothing but 3.14. A equal to pi multiply radius multiply radius. That is pi multiply R multiply R. Then circumference. The formula of circumference is 2 multiply pi multiply R. Output area and circumference. Come towards flowchart. See, start, input radius, pi is nothing but 3.14. A equal to area equal to pi multiply radius which we have put it in the process. Then circumference C equal to 2 multiply pi multiply R. Then output A and C. Then after that another example for finding the maximum of two numbers. We are taking input as number 1 and number 2. Number 1 and number 2. See, input two numbers, number 1 and number 2, output the max number algorithm. Here algorithm where I am taking two input numbers, that is as number 1 and number 2, and I am going to find maximum of two numbers. Let us go to the algorithm. Here step 1. In the step 1 I am taking two numbers, number 1 comma number 2. If number 1 is more than number 2, go to step 3. Otherwise go to step 4. The meaning is that if it is number 1 is more than number 2, that means number 1 is maximum. Otherwise maximum is number 2. Output max. Let us come to the flow chart. Start. See the input symbol, input process. In the input I am taking number 1 and number 2. Then we go to the conditional statement, that is if number 1 is more than number 2. Number 1 is more. If it is yes, maximum will be number 1. If it is no, maximum will be number 2. Then we are going to the connector, connecting the flow lines. Then it comes to the output maximum number. Then end. Then we are going to write an algorithm to print even numbers. Another example we are taking as even numbers from 1 to 50. We are taking the even numbers from 1 to 50. Students, as you know, even numbers means 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. This all comes under even numbers. So we are taking these even numbers from up to 50. So input here not required. Output where we have even numbers from 1 to 50. What are the even numbers which will? So here even numbers, as I said to you, it is going to start from 2, 4, 6. For that purpose I am taking step 1 counter as an input counter is equal to 2. Repeat step 3 and step 4 while counter is less than or equal to 50. Output counter, then counter equal to counter plus 2. This is about algorithm for even numbers. Then let us become start process counter equal to 2. If counter is equal to 2, then it goes 2 is less than or equal to 50. Yes, then output counter 2 plus 2, 4. 4 is less than 50. Yes, then again it will come to the process 4 plus 2, 6. 6 is less than 50. It goes up to 48 plus 2. 48 plus 50 is less than 50. No, 50 is equal to 50. See, less than 50 means no. Then it is comes end. Thank you. If you have any doubts, please contact me. Thanks a lot. This is what we have finished our chapter number 2. Thank you.